Thanks for tuning in to the Car Show on Eastern. Every Saturday morning, Headlights and Tailpipes is bringing you stories. Now this morning, big wheels keep on turning with a massive Hummer. Look at the B-roll coming through. And then I got a 66 Chevy pickup truck. It's a daily driver. He threw in some AC so the wife would go out with him and drive. I got a VW bus, which is killer. I've got the fuel slut. What? I looked at my producer, I said, hey, we gotta go shoot the fuel slut. He looked at me like, what are you saying? This is a family-friendly environment. What are you doing, Josh? Thanks for tuning in. This is Headlights and Tailpipes. Look at what's coming your way. Celebrity cars, thanks for taking us down here. Headlights and Tailpipes down here on Eastern off of the 215 in Las Vegas, Nevada. Why am I telling you all that? I'm not really sure, because I just felt like geography is important for a show with cars. Now, something else that's important, what are you doing to your car here? What's going on?
This is what you call a money pit. I put a lot of chrome, stainless, billet. I customize cars. That's my retirement. I love cars.
That's called living the dream. I got to interrupt here. Living the dream. Wait a second. He's got a beautiful... Did you just watch that B-roll just come through the screen? Did you see that he's living the dream? It's actually inside the car. But what's really cool is this. What's going on with those Stingray covers right there?
Okay, these Stingray covers, it's called a smoothie. They took the black cover with the red Corvette, they ground it down, and they made a smoothie. They painted the color Laguna Blue, the color of the car. I added on the LT1, and this is an airbrush Stingray. It's not a decal. It's a custom company called Showstoppers. All right. I buy this stuff on the internet. It's all American stuff, American car craft out of Florida. There's probably about 20 distributors that sell these items. They make them for different cars, Corvettes, Camaros, Mustangs, Dodge Chargers. They make it for a lot of cars. It's a great investment. I go to car shows and I get beautiful comments. People love it.
If you're not going to have a horn in the background, you're not at a car show, folks. If you're not going to hear a little bit of sound from the pipes, you're not at a car show, folks. And if you're not going to get a fantastic tip from the guy that knows how to dress up a beauty and live the dream, you're not at a car show. You're watching Headlights and Tailpipes. You want to subscribe to our channel because we got a bunch of stories between those headlights and tailpipes. All right, smile at the camera.